hi, it's Lynette here. So you're not used to seeing me in this location. However, I was going to get Steve to do this, and he said, look, I'll show you how to do it. It's really easy, but there might be other people out there that didn't even know that you could do this. So when we moved in here, right, we had this problem that the shower hose, right, isn't long enough to reach the bottom of the bath. I'll tip it down so you can see that, right? So when I would lean over, right, shower on, washing my hair, I'm usually kind of bent over the bath, and I would get up. If I'd forget to hold it, I'd end up getting soaked, or, you know, trying to get up and switch the button off and hook that up when it's quite high. So it really kind of came to a head the other week there when we were washing Lola. I don't know why we were washing her, but she was in the bath anyway. She was stinky. Don't know what had happened. So we popped her in the bath. Normally that's a job that Steve does. He's quite happy. He can lift him into the bath. And you know, she's only like 22 kilos, so it was fine for him. But he's just battling like 48 kilo dogs. However, he had to shout me up. So normally what he would do is, you know, shower the dogs, shampoo them, put the water back on them. But because this didn't reach the bottom, it was soaking everything and everyone. So I said to Steve, it's a real pain. We didn't have that in the last house because the bath wasn't as deep and the shower was a bit lower. So he said to me, what we can do, and you can pick these up from anywhere. I actually didn't even know it was a solution, but it's just fantastic. So if you have this problem, this is a really cheap solution. We picked these up from B&Q, and it's a stainless steel 1.5 metre universal shower hose. There we go. So the shower hose does come with washers, these little plasticky ones. However, they're not that great. So what we did was we ordered half-inch shower hose washer. We just picked these up from Screwfix. Now you can use the ones that come if you like, but you can't, I don't know that you can actually see, but they're a little bit thinner than these ones. It is really important, however, that you do not forget to put these little washers in. If you do, your shower will leak everywhere. So if your shower hose is leaking, it's quite possible that you just need to replace these washers. So, you know, that's a quick fix that you could try yourself. So all I'm going to do here is, I'm going to attach the shower hose, put that to one side, and you can actually do this when you're cleaning it. You can take it off, and just unhook it from under here. So it's just a screw, and it unscrews really easy. So you'll see, or you might not see, but there's actually a couple of washers in here, but through time they can disintegrate as well. So it might just be a washer if everything's fine and your shower hose is leaking. So I'm just going to pop this to one side. So this is the thing that Steve did say to me was really important. Remember your washers. So it'll kind of look it'll do a little bit like this, but all you do is pop this bit, so this bit's like that, pop it up like that, take your washer, pop it in, right, make sure it's in, secure, just push it down a little bit if you need to, and then you attach that, so they're both, it doesn't matter which end you use, I don't think, yes it does. So see this bit here with the black bit, you'll notice that was the same here. That's what goes into the shower. So you just kind of screw it in, and make sure you kind of screw it in tight enough it doesn't fall off. And then I would suggest doing it kind of like this separately anyway. Put the other washer in the other end, put your shower hose on. Just make sure it's in. And actually look at my fingers, that's from the old kind of shower hose, the washer. It's all kind of disintegrated, gone all yucky. So now I can quite happily, if you can see, there we go. So we tried all sorts of things. We tried, Steve bought a suction pad hook that meant I just clipped it onto the wall. However, it kept falling off, it wasn't any good. And then it would smash into the bath, and I was always worried it would break the bath. So this just means that I'm washing the dog, rinsing my hair or whatever, you know, and I can just pop this down until I've finished, and then, you know, I can switch the shower on and off, and it's not going to do that thing that, trust me, if you've got a shower hose that doesn't reach the bottom of the bath, it'll happen to you. It'll be swinging about and it'll be all over the place. So that was 2 minutes, and that's been sitting there for a wee while, and I've been nagging to get it done. And Steve said, why don't I show you how easy it is? And actually, changing your shower head is exactly the same, so I'll be doing that soon. This is a mineral shower head. So when they start to get a bit naff, a bit dirty, if you're just not keen on, you know, maybe you don't like the way it comes out, you can change that just as easy as well. 2 minute job, screw fix, B&Q, get all the bits you need. And you can tell I never really use this bathroom apart from rinsing my hair, but I can bring this down a bit because Brandon's not here and he was the tall one and had it all the way up there. So let me know if you've got this problem at home and you're going to try this solution. I didn't even know it existed, but it's going to make bath time for Lola a lot easier, and for me showering my hair. Thanks for watching. Speak to you soon. Bye bye. And actually, Steve just gave me a really useful tip. Actually, turn your shower on to make sure it's not leaking. So I did that and it wasn't leaking. And now we can kind of get rid of the old one. See you soon.